Today we're going to tackle a burning question: how to lose fat and tone up at the same time. It's like trying to text and walk without bumping into a light pole. Tricky, but possible. So you want to say goodbye to the muffin top and hello to that sexier physique. Buckle up, I'm going to show you how to get toned and firm and say au revoir to this unwanted fluff. First thing first, we have to forget those fitness myths. Like we could spot reduce, we could try those miracle wraps, teas, etc. No, we are all about real talk, real results. Step number 1, strength training. No, you're not going to turn into the Hulk overnight. Well, if that's your goal, hey, no judgment. Lift those weights, tone and firm up your body. Lose the unwanted weight. Your body is like a sculpture. Chisel it out to that masterpiece you envision. For the diet part, you don't have to starve yourself or eat salad 24/7. We are talking balanced meal that fuels weight loss. Third step, cardio. But please, make it fun, not those boring stuff. So regardless, it might be running, jogging, riding the bicycle, swimming, dancing. Do whatever that floats your boat. But please, get that heart pumping. And finally, sleep. Yes, you heard me right. Beauty sleeps are not just for Disney princesses. It's critical for recovery and weight loss. And there you have it, the secret sauce for shredding the fat and toning up at the same time. A little bit of strength training, balanced nutrition, get some Z's in, enjoy some cardio, and this can help you achieve the body you truly desire. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's all about progress. So enjoy the journey. So let's crush those goals together. One meal at a time, one workout at a time, one day at a time, and you will see the results you dream of. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe for more content like these. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.